Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact backup file and where it lives. This prevents restoring the wrong snapshot. Once you have root or reseller WHM access, check disk usage and reserve at least 10 to 20% free so extraction won't fail. Then upload the file to /home or place it where WHM expects backups. Using FTP or SCP is faster for large files. Make sure file permissions allow reading by root so the restore tool can access the archive. You now open WHM and go straight to backup restoration. Pick Restore a full backup to restore accounts wholesale. Choose the target account or import users from the archive and select options for mail, databases, DNS, and user passwords. This controls what gets overwritten. While the restore runs, monitor the live logs to catch permission, quota, or extraction errors. If you see ownership mismatches, adjust chown/chmod or clear quotas before continuing. This reduces partial. You finish by validating the site frontend, email flow, database connections, and DNS records. Allow 1 to 2 hours for propagation. Then rebuild file system permissions with chown ruser on the restored home, and restart services like Apache or PHP-FPM so configs load correctly. If something went wrong, consult /var/cpanel/logs and restoration logs. Common fixes include clearing disk space, re-uploading a clean archive, or importing SQL dumps manually into MySQL to recover content without rerunning full restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.